Next couple of days adventure is with a good friend of mine called Dave. So leaving home today and heading up over the ranges towards Canungra to meet Dave at Beaudesert. From there we'll go on some dirt trails up towards Rosewood somewhere, and then we'll stay the night at his place, and then after that we're going to do some other a combo of bitumen and dirt tracks all the way up to Crow's Nest area, and then on the third day we're off to Gymnaway, following dirt roads and a mix of dirt roads and bitumen, and then head home. So it's a little 4-day trip, camping where we can, and yeah, and that's how we go from there. So join Dave and I on our little trip. Just going to stop here at Canungra, probably like the best bike place stop there is. But I'm going to grab something to eat and then keep travelling. It's called the Outpost Cafe. Great place. It's a busy place too. So coming out of Canungra, just got my dinner for the other 2 nights and off to see Dave. So I am about half an hour-ish away from Beaudesert. Meet Dave, say g'day, and head off. So currently at Beaudesert and meeting up with Dave in about a minute. Precisely on time I am. About 4 minutes late, but yeah, that's precise. And here is Dave. No Dave, but Dave's mobile. Here's Dave. There you go, mate.
Yeah, good yourself.
Pretty good.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too, mate.
Because where we're going to go, if it rains in there, we shit out of luck.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah. I've been through there once before when it was raining on the KLX with knobbies, and I went arse up easy twice.
Oh, no.
And I'm like, yeah, like...
We've got a bit of weight on us this time.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go, sidecar. There you go, camping.
Cool. He's built that whole front end.
Yeah, I know.
Gee, that's keen.
These guys are talking about it too. So the plan for today, the dirt road, which is going from Beaudesert, is just down here, and it is called Undella Road, which heads north onto Ripley Road, and then we head on up to Rosewood, which is up near Ipswich Way, over here. So that's the destination for today, and from there we'll start the next day. And here we go, we're off. Nice turf farms, nice green grass. Grass isn't always better on the other side. Just saying. Which is called What Road? Dave is going to take over. Hello, Dave. New road, old road. Hope you can hear Dave's bike. It sounds cool. Got some grunt to it. It's got that grumble. Oh, leave him in the dust. Hey, this looks pretty cool. Nice. Hey, that's pretty cool. This looks pretty cool. Lots of little causeway crossings. I like it. So we're just coming past the RWF at Amberley, and I believe what Dave said, we are turning right. So that wraps up day one. We are coming into Rosewood now, where I'm going to stay at Dave's place for the night, grab a pizza, wake up in the morning and throw a leg over and go again. So yeah, subscribe and like the channel if you like it, and do all those fancy things. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.